Welcome back to TV. I'm still with Prof here in Gangala. Special best pelile, but Prof yasibuyisa futhi. This was announced formal, but between now and the 22nd of December, siyaqhubeka. Show everything that he said, especially on those dates, the 5th, the 6th, and the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th. Siyaqhubeka. Prof. Ngicela clarity la. Amaproducts. I think there's a lot of confusion regarding Amaproducts in as far as wasebenza kanjani nani nani. I got a call from a lady, for example, who asked me ukuthi unlocking oil. I tell she wanted to know if she can share the unlocking oil yena no myeni wakhe. Can two people use the unlocking oil or gambling oil?
Cha KB akukhonakala ukuthi abantu ababili basebenzise unlocking or business oil A1 by 15 or by 2. Unlocking oil or business oil or gambling oil isebenzisa umuntu oyi1. If nabantwana abayi5 bafuna ukuyisebenzisa cha kwenzeki lo ngoba ukhumbule KB unlocking oil masukupha yona kunezinto okufuna uzenze, especially uzolala uyibambile bese uyayibeka usayibambe. Bese after isikhathi 3 days uyithatha uqala ukuyisebenzisa nezinye. So akukhonakala ukuthi ungayisebenzisa wena bese ubaba nayo uyabuyela uyayibamba bese ngikhani bese nayo uqhubeka ngeritual yakhe bese kuyenzeka izinto. Cha akwenzeki lokho. Into engiye ngifisa ukuthi abantu kufuna ba understand lento ukuthi unlocking oil, when we say we unlock your life, not lives.
From do you are.
Yes. Imela umuntu oyedwa edinga yena ukuthi ayithathe unlocking oil ayenzela ama rituals ama 2 rand. Ukhumbule unlocking oil la lubambe ngesandla ama 2 rand ayi 21 rand angaphansi komcamelo. So uma uvuka wena uma wenzeka uphaphamile ngisho uyayithatha uyibeke lapha awusayibambi futhi. After 3 days ngikhani ngisithatha ama coin akho gas. So kusasa umuntu uzothi kuyakhonakala ukuthi lama coin engigeze ngawo nalo omunye umuntu angakwazi ugeze bona ayikhonakala. Unlocking oil or any of my product asebenzela umuntu oyi1, special into unlockayo because le bhodlela lisuke lakala ukuthi okay linama drops ayi10. Lama drops ayi10 uma KB ayithenga le unlocking oil siyazi ukuthi uma uyisebenzisa for 7 days izoba se-unlockile into yakhe. That is why sithi kubantu ungabizi inhlupheko yakho yonke ku-unlocking oil. Biza into A1 eshowcase ukuthi uma ungavuleka lo mnyango lo into zakho zizokwazi ukukhanya. But kunabanye banokuthi hey prof mina ngiyisebenzisanga njalo ngiyisebenzise nabantwana bami izinto zangikhanye. So angeke ngibaphikise. But unlocking oil yasiza. Last mase Rustenburg khona ubaba ngikutshele ngayi Brakebe ngathi mina ubaba lo siyesamsiza ngokuposa kuphela izinto zakhe umntwana athola umsebenzi for many years afuna umsebenzi. But unlocking oil akwazi umsiza. But if lo baba ekasebenzisa unlocking oil yakhe and then athathe le yalo mfana aphinda anikeze lo mfana asebenzise bengeke uzokulunga. But ngokuthi ulandela ama instruction unlocking oil ukuthi yenze into eyi1 kwakhanya. Sengisho ukuthi sorry mawami just for 1%. Ubhuti usesi sorry ayisebenzela abantu abaningi, sebenzela umuntu oyi1 ngoba isuke ibhekane nengqondo ensila le angisho uyibambile. Phela unlocking oil ukuthi uyibambe Brakebe if a person is azala uzalwa avala izandla bese uyavula khona izinto ezimuqwayo la okuhle kusale lenhlupheko yengapha. So sibuyisa lento esuke ihambe ngapha kulesandlaosisebenzisayo. It's all about that one.
Okay, and also there's also a thing where people, and I think it was before Ivulindlela Ibakhona, but people would say Brakebe or before that umuntu athi okay ngahamba ngaya uSibandwane ngathatha isithathu se50,000 asebenzanga but ngicabanga ukuthi ngiye kuProf ngicala nge-starter pack. And I always say no, my starter pack is not for people like you. If you already can afford it's 60,000, so I want you to clarify to people who should take a starter pack in terms of financial levels, if I may use those words.
Okay, BraKB ngiyabonga abalaleli nabathandi bayidabula. Lalelani bafowethu. I-unlocking oil or i-starter pack sithatha umuntu ongakwazi uku-afforda i-10,000 yagogo hlophe noma isinto ethile umnyamani noma umuntu enjani. Sabona ukuthi akusizi labantu abangakwazi uku-afforda sibavalele ngaphandle. So a person not angikhona even kubanka a month i-2,000 sisibekela abantu abanjalo. Umuntu othi ngiyahluleka prof ngihola namhlanje after 2 days anginamali. So siye si-unlocke noma si-start impilo yakhe ukuthi akwazi ukuraise ama-funds yokuzothatha into ezokwazi kumkhulisa imfikise ngayo. So mo afford 50k yeah wezile yangibulala nayo BraKB. Someone told me no prof bengithathe into kumthumunye ngengisho ukuthi umthumunye muphi manje lento leyo ayizange ngisebenzela. So ngicela ungisendele i-starter pack ngikwazi ukuyifaka kule nto le ngikwazi ukugeza izokwazi kustarta lento ikwazi ukusebenza. Ngabulala ihleko kodwa ngangamhliki ngoba akanalwazi ngathi futhi ubeke kolanda isithwalo samalini athi ngibeke kolanda isithwalo sa 100,000 ngithi as long kwazi ukufota 100,000 akulungelanga le buyela kumthumunye ufika umtshela ukuthi umthumunye into yami imile ithe umbona ukuthi uyenzani noma uyi-acta kanjani nisizana nomthumunye mina ungangifaka into enza ngamthumunye ngoba la i-unlocking oil akalukhuleni. So namanje ngifuna ukuchaza naloku ukuthi uprofessor semkhuleni akayingeni ithwalo zabantu ngoba nizongicabanisa nezinyanga umuntu athi ngiye kubani then maqeda isithwalo sakho ngengasihlahla kolukhuleni ngasithela unlocking oil.
Plus bayathanda lo nto ya isithwalo sakho asebenzanga ngiye ku-prof umsizile and then it's like you are being you're right.
So angifuni ukubulawa abantu angifuni ukuzonda abantu angifuni ukuthi mangithi ngiye Rustenburg ngizonde inyanga angifuni ukuthi ngiye KZN bangidubule njengalast BraKB idlozi likhulu kakhulu but so ixoxa ngelinye ilanga lezangoma lapho soba sikhuluma nezangoma ku channel eWTV.
Sho ukuthi ngizobe ngingekho angimenya
ngisho ukuthi siyoyikhuluma
okay
ngelinye ilanga sinayo BraKB ukuthi why kanti why but ngisho kona ukuthi BraKB ngibonga kakhulu no ayenza njalo lento.
Okay, nizwele. All right. So, if uphuma ku starter pack before you had to jump to Hlope, now ikhona into that you can jump to before Hlope. It's called uvulindlela.
Yes.
So maso vukile nge starter khona ukuhlanganisa 3,000 lapha in 4,000 lapha 4,000 lapha. Once you hit like 12,000-13,000 ivulindlela ikhona. So you don't have to jump from 0 to Hlope, you know, just like that. So yeah, ngicela nibheke ivideo yami no prof sikhuluma ngovulindlela or call prof and then nimbuze ngayo. But yeah, Amaproducts awakho, you cannot share Amaproducts and you have to follow the instruction.